You may know Friends of the Smokies has played a huge role in bringing elk back to the national park.
But it also funds critical educational programs. This summer, high school students are studying very tiny creatures.
As News 13's Rex Hodge reports, they reveal a lot about the quality of air and water in the Smokies.
Shake the water just a little bit.
Sometimes taking a closer look teaches so much.
And we're putting it under microscopes to take inventory on different micro-invertebrates.
Burgin Mackey is a rising high school junior, learning, along with a classroom full of fellow Madison County High School students, about water and air quality in the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. The lesson for the day?
That certain bugs in the water means that the water is good.
Basically, we're trying to find different organisms that are in lichen.
Spotting one in particular.
Water bears are very small, microscopic animals.
Has a song. And a nickname familiar to the Smokies.
They're very small, and it's really fun to see them. They look a lot like bears.
Students also study salamanders.
Salamanders breathe through their skin. They also lay their eggs in water. Some lay their eggs in really wet soil.
Ranger Susan Sachs works at the Appalachian Highlands Science Learning Center on top of Purchase Knob.
Our biggest issue with water quality here in the Smokies is linked to our air pollution problem.
She says the Clear Smokestacks Act in North Carolina has improved air quality. The sulfur content is down a little, but she says ammonia and mercury are up. By studying these tiny creatures, these students are helping keep track.
Do you see the little ones?
With student groups, and if we start to notice shifts or changes, then we can call in the researchers to ask the deeper questions.
At one stream that we tested at, the quality was actually extremely high. It was very good because we found some certain more rare bugs in it.
I like salamanders. I've always been told that if they were in the water, that water's good.
The information the students collect counts.
We do actually have database that we put this information into.
Susan Sachs and another ranger work full-time at the center.
But the rest of the operation of this facility is through Friends of the Smokies, whether it's individual grants or license plate money or funds from the Telethon. So we do not charge for our programs, so the groups that come up here come up for free.
Any part of anybody that helped raise money for this, thank you very much.
And Ranger Susan Sachs says it takes about $100,000 a year to keep up the Appalachian Highlands Science Learning Center.
And a reminder, tonight you can help preserve that program and the beauty of the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. It's time for the 20th annual Friends Across the Mountains Telethon.
Our own Larry Blunt will co-host the event with our friends at WBIR in Knoxville. It starts at 7 o'clock tonight. The money raised will go toward conservation efforts, protection of wildlife, and like you just saw, environmental education.